Creating digital products has never been easier or cheaper. These 6 free resources are all you need to create something amazing this year. And the best part? You've probably never even heard of a few of them. So stick around. I promise this list is going to help your digital product business fly. Hey guys, if you're new here, my name is Jo and I help creators with freelancing, passive income, and tech. Today, I'm sharing my 6 favorite tools and resources that I use every single day to create, validate, market, and sell digital products. And these aren't just any tools, they're totally free. And they've helped me simplify my entire business. So grab a coffee, take some notes, and let's dive in. Now, I remember when I first started selling digital products, it felt like a total minefield. There were so many tools out there, and honestly, most of them were either way too expensive, way too complicated, or just plain useless. But I didn't give up. I kept looking for tools that made the process easier. And eventually, I found a handful that worked wonders for me. The secret was really finding tools that all worked together, even though their jobs were very different. These tools completely changed how I run my business, and now they're the reason I can spend more time creating and less time stressing. I'm sharing them with you today because if they helped me, I know they're going to help you too. By the way, there are free digital product resources in the comment section below to help you get started selling successfully with digital products. So make sure to check those out. Let's start with a resource that doesn't just inspire, it transforms your entire mindset. If you've ever felt stuck, wondering why some people make money while others struggle, this free audiobook will flip the switch for you. This audiobook challenges the way that you think about money and empowers you to take control of your financial future. And that audiobook is called Rich Dad, Poor Dad. It challenges the traditional way of thinking about money and teaches you how to make your money work for you, not the other way around. Now you might be thinking, why does this matter for selling digital products? Because mindset is everything. You need to think like a business owner, not just a creator. You can grab the audiobook for free. I've put the link in the description below. It's a zero-risk way to level up your thinking and take your digital product journey seriously. When you're listening, jot down the ideas that resonate most with your journey. Or if you're like me, I like to listen while I'm driving. It makes me feel like I'm using my time really well. I like the way that Kiyosaki talks about creating assets that pay you over and over. Think about how that applies to your digital product strategy. With the right mindset in place, let's move to the next essential tool that's going to make creating and organizing your ideas easier than ever. Have you ever had a brilliant idea pop into your head at the worst possible moment? Like when you're in the middle of making lunch or scrolling on your phone. That's where a simple notes app can be a total lifesaver. I use the Notes app on my MacBook and on my iPhone literally every single day. It seems so basic, but it is brilliant for just jotting down those random ideas before they vanish into thin air. Whether it's brainstorming digital product ideas, crafting quick content outline, or scribbling down marketing tips and any inspiration, Notes just keeps it all in one place. And because it's so simple, its simplicity is what makes it so effective. But if you're somebody who likes a little bit more structure, let me give you a bonus suggestion: Notion. It's free and lets you organize your ideas into sections, lists, and even databases. Think of it as your digital notebook on steroids. Plus, it syncs across all your devices, so you'll never lose track of an idea no matter where you are. Now that your ideas are organized, let's talk about how to validate them and figure out if they've got viral potential. This next tool is a personal favorite of mine, the free viral digital product calculator. Wondering if your digital product idea is a hit or just meh? This tool will give you all the answers in minutes, and it is totally free. I created the viral digital product calculator because I kept seeing people struggling with figuring out whether their ideas were actually worth pursuing. It's a Google Sheets-based tool that helps you calculate your product's viral score based on a series of super simple questions, like whether your product solves a high demand problem, or if you surveyed your audience. Once you fill it out, you get a score that tells you where your idea stands and where you can improve. And if you need more validation, the calculator gives you specific tips to help you refine your idea. It's basically like having a little business coach built into a spreadsheet. And the best part, it's ridiculously easy to use. I'll leave the link in the description so you can grab it and start testing your ideas today. When I used this tool for one of my ideas, it scored quite low. So I took its advice, took action, ended up doing a survey using Google Forms, which I'll talk about in a minute. I tweaked my idea based on their feedback, and now I know exactly what to do with my digital product, and I have a viral validated idea. If you spend 10 minutes with this calculator today, I promise you will have a clearer picture of your next steps. And once you've nailed your product idea, it's time to start thinking about how to market it. And the next tool can give you some seriously valuable insights: YouTube Analytics. What if I told you the key to selling more digital products is already hidden in the videos that you watch and post every day? That's right, YouTube Analytics. YouTube Analytics is more than just a numbers dashboard. It's a goldmine for growing your sales. YouTube Analytics isn't just for bloggers or YouTubers. It's a powerhouse tool for anyone selling digital products. Here's how you can use it. If you already create content on YouTube, you can track what's resonating with your audience. You can look at the videos with the highest watch time or the most engagement and create more content around that, which in turn will market your digital products. Even if you don't upload videos yourself, you can still use public data from other creators in your niche. Check the topics and trends gaining traction and align your content creation strategy with what's already working. For example, let's say that you're in the health niche and you notice that videos about how to use red light therapy are exploding in popularity. That's a cue that it might be a good idea to dive deeper into creating content around that, especially if it leads to your digital product, which could be a course on detoxifying the body. And best of all, if you are using YouTube for creating content, YouTube Analytics is free. It's built into every YouTube account, so why not let it guide your next big idea? If you're new to analytics, start with each video's average view duration. It'll tell you exactly where viewers are dropping off so you can improve your content. Speaking of audience feedback, let's talk about another tool that makes collecting it easy: Google Survey Forms. So you've got a product idea and maybe some data to back it up, but how do you actually know what your audience really wants? That's where Google Survey Forms comes in handy. It's the easiest way to get instant feedback for free. Google Survey Forms is a free tool that can help you validate your digital product ideas with real-world feedback. Here's how it works. You create a simple form with questions about your product, like what features people want, what price point they'd consider, or even a color scheme they'd prefer. Then you can share that form on social media, send your email list, or even in Facebook groups that have your relevant niche. Now, why is this so powerful? Because it takes the guesswork out of creating a product. Instead of hoping that your idea works, you'll know exactly what your audience is looking for. And any data that you collect will help you refine your product, making it more aligned with what people are willing to buy. For example, if 80% of survey respondents say they prefer a specific feature in your product, you can focus all your energy there. So really good data and feedback is really important for you to know what to do next. Plus, the surveys are so easy to create and analyze that you'll feel like a market research pro in minutes. And if you think that gathering feedback is powerful, wait until you see how my next tool ties it all together: System.io. Now that you've nailed your product idea and validated it with real feedback, it's time to turn it into something that sells. And that's where System.io becomes your secret weapon. System.io is the ultimate all-in-one platform for creating, marketing, and selling your digital products. Whether you're setting up the sales funnel, designing a landing page, or even creating email marketing campaigns, System.io makes the entire process ridiculously simple, even if you're a total beginner. Now, here's why I love it. First, it's free to get started, which is a massive bonus if you're working on a budget. P.S. grab your free account from the comment section below of the video. Second, it's built with automation in mind. And that means you can create funnels that sell for you on autopilot. Imagine someone discovering your product at midnight, clicking your funnel link and completing their purchase, all while you're asleep. Now that's the kind of system we're building here. And don't worry if tech isn't your thing. System.io is user-friendly and designed to streamline your process. With drag-and-drop tools and ready-to-use templates, it is easy to get started. You can literally have a full sales funnel up and running in under an hour. Plus, it seamlessly integrates with payment systems and processes, and you can do all your email campaigning, so everything is in one place. Now, here's what my favorite funnel looks like in System.io. It's a super simple lead capture page. So I have a freebie, and people could sign up with their email, and once they give that to me, it will deliver their freebie. And it has a nice little thank you page for them. Now, if you're feeling overwhelmed with funnels, I would actually recommend that you get this funnel yourself because you can start there and it's really easy. By the way, if you're feeling inspired and ready to go with digital products, I've got you. Whether it's templates, checklists, or tools, I've made sure that you have everything you need to really thrive online. And there you have it. 6 of the best free resources to create, validate, and sell your digital products. Each of these tools has the power to simplify your journey and make your digital product business more successful. And we've covered everything you need, from shaping your mindset with Rich Dad Poor Dad, capturing and organizing your ideas with Notes and Notion, validating those ideas with my viral digital product calculator, and Google Survey Forms. Oh, and gathering insights with YouTube Analytics. And finally bringing it all together with System.io. Phew, that's a lot of great stuff. Now it's your turn. Start implementing these tools today. And don't forget to grab the free digital product calculator from the link in the description. It's the perfect first step to finding out whether your next product idea will be a hit. Also, let me know in the comments which of these tools you're most excited to try. Or if you've got a favorite free tool that I haven't mentioned and I don't know about it, share it below because I would love to hear from you. Remember, you've got this. These tools are free, but the action you take with them is what will make your dreams a reality. So get out there, start creating, keep learning, and keep thriving. If you enjoyed my content today, please make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below of the video. There are no silly questions, and I try and answer every single one of them. And make sure to watch this video next to help you level up even further.